A new varsity sport is making waves at Monmouth College, but it's not a completely new concept for the Scots. KWQC's Ben Rosart visited with the school's water polo team as it embarks on its first official season.
A lot of hockey, basketball. It's somewhat like soccer in the water.
Matt Smith originally planned on running track at Monmouth College, but the Rova High School graduate quickly realized he could make more of a splash playing water polo.
It's like no other sport. Constantly moving, treading water, can't touch the bottom, swimming back and forth, and it gets pretty rough, so I love it. You got to be in great shape, you got to be smart, got to be alert, and it's kind of the combination of all those things. Endurance is a big part of it.
If we're down, it's just attack mode. It's like we have to start scoring to get back into the game. If we're up, then it's like we have to play defense. So it's just an adrenaline rush.
It's not like the Fighting Scots are just getting their feet wet when it comes to water polo. Last fall, as a club team, Monmouth College won the NCAA Division III National Championship, and many of the same players are back for this year of transition.
This is something I never thought would happen in my time here. You know, coming here just thinking I was going to play club water polo, and we had a good team, a lot of success, and then all of a sudden, last year they announced it, and a lot of excitement around the campus.
With 5 straight conference championships and a national title, that success helped elevate the team to varsity status.
You know, it's the first and only national title Monmouth has at the school. And it's something big, you know, and, you know, 5-6 years ago, if you said, you know, water polo was going to win a national title here, people would have said, what's that sport?
A member of that championship squad, Josh Dunn, is now the head coach, just months after graduating.
We're the only program Division I through III currently in Illinois as a varsity program.
The opponents will be tougher, and the team will have to travel to Pennsylvania and West Virginia for its first varsity games. But sink or swim, the Fighting Scots have already proven they afloat. In Monmouth, Ben Rosart, KWQC TV6 Sports.
Thanks, Ben. Now, neither Iowa State